smoked capon. That big beautiful bird right there is called a capon. And come on, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to smoke it like this. Let's get in the kitchen though and put these ingredients together and get it ready for the smoking. Let's go. Got my chicken, got my chicken. All right, folks, we got a very large bird here. This is called a capon, but just a little bit of history on what a capon is. It is a male chicken that's been castrated. So through logic, it hasn't been having a chance to run around and chase the hens and everything. So it's supposed to be a little more tender than your regular chicken. I mean, you can feel it now. Look up, he's been lazy, got that belly, but it's gonna taste good in our belly. But let's go ahead and get this washed off and everything. So take this stuff out. We'll make us some chicken stock out of this stuff here, and we're gonna be all good. All right, y'all, we'll be right back. Dry it off a little bit. This here is a special occasion chicken. So you're doing this for holidays, birthdays, celebrations, anniversaries, stuff like that. You just don't go just cooking this chicken willy-nilly. Like, hey, I'm just about to fry up some chicken or smoke up some chicken or bake some chicken, whatever you're going to do. We're going to do a super simple marinade. We're going to use the meat poker, or the meat tenderizer, whatever we want to call it. But it's going to poke the meat so we can get our marinade all up in there. Flip it over. Yeah, just have a little fun with it. All right, it's all poked up. All right, let's get this marinade going. All right, y'all, that's all the razzle and dazzle I got for y'all today as far as getting this marinade together, because it's going to be extremely simple. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this adobo seasoning and 2 tablespoons of the Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, no salt added. See, I'm old school. I'm still calling it Mrs. Dash. You just call it Dash now. Some olive oil and some lemon. It's going to be simple as that. Start off with our lemon first. Squeeze in that hand. Get your strainer so you don't get no seeds up in there. Or you can get a squeezer, a lemon squeezer, don't matter. A little of olive oil. I say that's about, maybe about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now it's turned into a marinade. This is how I like to do it, You can do it all kind of ways. You can pour it in a cup first and then pour the marinade in, or do it like this. It all comes out the same. As long as we get it covered, and it's gonna be good. I like the way that it's seasoned and it's speckled on there already. All right, got our marinade on there. Everything looks pretty. Get one more look, y'all. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. All right, so I'm just gonna let it go for 2 hours. Because I got a whole lemon in here, so I don't want it to get meat to get mushy and then to tear it up. So 2 hours, go make a run, maybe 3 hours. Go make a run real quick. Come fire up the smoker, so it should be ready by then. All right, see y'all outside. Looks like we got a little rain in the forecast, y'all, but we'll be all right. I got a little charcoal left over from the last cook, and it's still good. Going with B&B charcoal again. I think that's about all I need, because I got a real big old piece of post oak wood. And I'm going to do just a tad bit more charcoal. Cover it up a little bit, and we should be good. Got my favorite starter of choice that I've been using here lately. That's the old tumbleweed. A little windy out here. Get this bad boy covered. Time to get this capon on the smoker. All right. How we gonna go? All right. We just gonna put the backside down. Let this front side here receive the smoke as it come across. Look at that marinade, y'all. Look at that marinade. So I got it on here early to get a little early smoke. It's only rolling at like 125. And right about 300 degrees, I think I'm gonna shut the vents down and let it, stable out between 300 and 325. All right, so this should be a long cook. This thing here is 7 pounds. So since this is such a big hunk of meat, we're gonna go ahead and put the probe up in here. Make life a little easier on ourselves. Just gonna put it right here in the breast. And I want that to go to about 155. I'm looking at about maybe 2.5, maybe 3 hours. No biggie, we just out here having fun. All right, see y'all back in about an hour. We'll check the temperature. Rolling at that 300. Let's take a look-see after 1 hour. We didn't even do a flip. So we're not gonna flip, but what we gonna do? Rotate, turn it, whatever you want to say. Man, that looking good. Ooh. We're just gonna let it keep doing what it's doing. It's looking pretty. All right, CAPON. It has been a total of 3 hours, y'all. I've been rotating it in quarters every little half an hour. I didn't flip it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that juice. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is ridiculous. Look at all that juice running, y'all. It is running. Let's see. There's a little drumstick there. Let's see, we go down the middle here. Now, it's easy to see if it tastes good by tasting the leg. We gotta hit it. See that breast talking about. Going in, y'all. CAPON. Woo! I mean, it's extremely juicy, y'all. Y'all see me? It's done all the way, and juice is still, man. This is crazy. I think I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that whole thing. Y'all saw how it was done. 3 hours total time. I just let it sit there on the smoker on one side, and I just rotated it the first hour, and then after that, I rotated every half an hour for a total of 3 hours. Post oak wood, it's all good. So check this out. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We're gonna do something again. All right, enjoy yourself. In special occasions now. Flavor all down to the bone.